Hi, welcome to your first training on this passive income journey. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to build a landing page. So welcome. If you haven't signed up with these apps as yet, I suggest that you pause the video, go back to my landing page and click the links in order to sign up. So if you wish, you can do that now if you haven't done it already. So this training is designed to make everything simple and actionable so that you can get started right away. So don't mind the birds. Those are my birds chirping in the background. Okay, so let's get started. So this is what you'll see when you get into the System.io platform. You can just click to get started for free here, and then you need to enter your email address to get started for free. You see you're going to receive an email for confirmation, and then click on the link to confirm your account and enter your password as well. I'm going to add the password. They're just verifying that you're not a robot. So I must tell you that this is how the dashboard would look on your phone. So if you could log in on a tablet or a laptop, it would be advisable because you would not be able to access the drag and drop features on System.io, and you're going to be frustrated because you're going to have to swipe left or right to see the features, and we don't want you getting stressed out just as you started. Okay, so this is our system dashboard. At first glance it looks very plain. You'll need to click the circle on the top right hand corner, then go to profile and fill out your personal information. The reason why I suggested creating a new Gmail account is because whatever email you use, that will be your System.io domain name for your landing page. Okay, so go ahead and fill it out. As I said, you can feel free to pause and work along with the video. And if you are a company, you can also add in your company name and number as well. I'm just going to stick with individual or personal account for this tutorial. Click save. Always remember to click save. The platform allows you to sell courses, memberships, physical products, digital products. If you have a payment gateway already set up, you can go to payment gateway. We now have 5 options for taking payments: Stripe, PayPal, etc., depending on what country you are from. And it's very straightforward. Just click on the button and it will walk you through the process. I'm not going to set up a payment gateway for this tutorial. To collect credit card payments with Stripe, you will need to register a US LLC. If you want to get that up and running, I have a link in my bio. Payoneer is also a good option for doing manual transactions in US dollars. As for me personally, I would not use PayPal to receive large amounts of money. So keep watching and I'll show you a method you could use if you don't have access to any of these payment gateways. So let's go to the main dashboard. Click on dashboard. This is going to be where you see all the money you make once you use the payment gateways provided. You will see month-to-month payments right here and how many leads you've gotten as well. You can also see a live running update, and if you want to be involved in affiliate marketing, you can come to your affiliate dashboard, and this is where you can promote things like System.io as well as all other marketplace offers, which takes us to the marketplace down here where System.io offers courses. These courses can be accessed when you sign up for the paid plans. Next is going to be contacts. If you make a sale, System.io will save your contacts and your leads. If you place a tag on your product page, it allows you to track who views or buys your product. You can also set a default currency. It's set in euro right now, but if you want to change that, you can come back to settings once again. You could come down to the payment page. You can leave out the VAT, all right? Change it to US dollars, depending on what country you're from or whatever country you want to take money from. And finally, what you've been waiting for, how to create your landing page. So you click on funnels, you'll see an empty page that looks like this. Funnels are a very important part of the system platform. The builder is incredible once you master it. You can create automation rules, email campaigns, but we won't go into that in this video. On the funnel page, click the plus sign to create. Now it gives you a few different options here. The options are you trying to sell products? Are you trying to build something from scratch? Are you trying to run an evergreen webinar? To get access to the evergreen webinar, you'll have to upgrade your plan, okay? Then we also have an option to choose your currency that you want to charge, and this is for your product or service. The currency we changed earlier was for Systems.io courses and affiliate. All right, so click on build your funnel, then click save and start creating your landing page. So to create a really quick, simple page, you can choose one of these pre-made templates and then optimize it for your specific design. So let's choose something real simple for this. I like simplicity when it comes to building landing pages because less can be more effective. So I'm gonna call the page the YouTube test page, and this is going to be the URL for this page. Remember, I said your email name would become your landing page domain name. So you've highlighted your landing page. This is a landing page that customers will see when they click on your link. Then to your right, you have options to save, edit, delete, etc. We also have the preview page. And then finally, you can change the page template if you choose. So let's go ahead and add your squeeze page. This is the visual page editor. At first, it may appear intimidating, especially for beginners. Take some time to scroll on your landing page and get familiar with the different elements. So we can hover over any of the elements and you'll see you'll get three different colors. We have the orange text, and then we have the blue text, which is the container or the row, and then finally we have the sections, which is in the green. So you can have multiple elements inside of rows, you can have multiple rows inside of sections. Now the cool thing is that you could have sections inside of this rows, and inside of rows you may have other rows or elements. So elements are just like text, images, videos, and you can change things like background colors between sections, and of course you can move them around as well. It is a drag and drop builder. Now on the left here, we have got different types of elements. We've got text, videos, images, you've got internal columns, forms, check boxes, and countdown timers. So say you want to have a countdown timer added to your page. Just click on the element and drag it. You'll see that blue section. Leave it in the blue section where this element is going to go, and you're just going to drop it in there. And now you have a timer on your landing page. Now you'll probably notice it's not spaced properly. So if you click on it, you'll get to edit all the elements. So let's just say I want to make the margin at the bottom a bit bigger. I'll just simply drag and drop. You can see all the different text moving. You can adjust it to your liking. Play around with all your elements, and you don't have to change any code. You can click the preview button to see what your landing page will look like when you make any changes. There's a viewport at the bottom left as well that allows you to see what it's going to look like on mobile view. You can just click the little mobile icon, and this is what the site looks like on mobile. You can switch between mobile and laptop view. I highly recommend building out your desktop version first and then making the changes on your mobile version. Now, if you want to change the text, simply highlight the text you want to change. Then in the left, in the text box, you can type in whatever you want to say. So once you highlight the text you want to change, you delete it or simply type what you want in the text box to your left, just like what I'm doing here. So let's just say I want a header. You hover over the section and you'll see it in orange. There's a delete icon. Just click on it. And if you want to do the opposite and add another section, you go to the elements on the left and either drag the section or rows over or click the copy icon to duplicate. Whatever you need to actually create your design. Remember, always save your changes. So if you wanted to use this exact segment, in this case, it's a section, you can save it and then you can paste it into multiple different places. You can also create what's called a master block, which is like a global element. That means you can have it on all your pages. Let's just say it is your menu bar. You can change it or update it in all of your pages. So this is perfect for footers and headers as well. So we want to delete that header. Click on delete, it's gone. And if you want to edit anything, like this button, for example, click on the button and then we've got all the options on the left. You can change the background colors, text colors, you can change the fonts, you also got sizes, line lengths, everything in between. So for those of us, if you don't have a payment gateway, you can click this button to enter a Google form if you prefer privacy, or directly to your WhatsApp account by highlighting the button, then going to elements on the left and entering your link to those accounts. Play around with the options inside of the button and you can get familiar with it. I'll also show how to place a chatbot on your landing page inside of my membership account. Congratulations, we now have our landing page. For those interested in adding a freebie to collect emails, let's go to the next step, which is the thank you or the bridge page. And this is a really important step because you want them to put their name and address, email address on this form. So you must be clear as to what it is you're offering them. So they won't hesitate to give you their email address. You can let them know that your offer is on the way, for example, if it's a free PDF, an ebook, or maybe a training. You can say, hey, check out your email. It should be arriving any second. Now, here's the good thing about the thank you page. Even if you don't have anything to sell, then it's just a good time to give a message about some information you like to share about your business or that you appreciate them for being there. So what I'm going to do is just choose a simple bridge page for this example. This one here says thanks for signing up and it's got a video. For me personally, I love video. Videos convert very well. If you haven't noticed, things like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels convert very well. So don't hesitate to put yourself out there. If I'm an introvert, you can also do it too. I highly recommend putting yourself out on video. Here's where I place the URL or the URL. Put in a name or title and click on save. And then if I go to edit now, this is going to be where you can edit the page. I'm not going to use that header. I'll delete it because you don't need a header in a funnel really. We've got a video module and some text where you can directly upload new videos by clicking on the video section and dragging the video element onto it and pasting your URL in a section on the left under video. All these unnecessary text below could be deleted. Just want to show you again how to link your digital products. Click on the send form and come down to open URL, and this is where I can actually put in a new URL which is going to redirect users to that page or digital product. You can choose to open it in the same window or a new one. So every time someone comes on this page, they can watch a video that I've uploaded or click the button to another digital product. I can add in my affiliate link or link to another product. Click save. Now let's look at the preview. It looks pretty good. If I click on this link, it will be redirected to my website. Great. So now that you've seen how simple it is to actually build a website, build your own landing page, I bet you feel pretty empowered, right? But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to building and growing an online business. It's actually a journey from setting up your landing page to connecting it to a payment processor, to automating your business, to running email campaigns, and to ensure that your visitors make a purchase. There's so much more involved. There's always something new to learn and to implement. And this is why I'm offering, wait, hear what I have to say, hear me out. This is why I'm offering an exclusive monthly membership where you will get access to all the training and support you need. This membership will have modules that I will be covering with you all step by step. After you complete your landing page, what are the other steps that you can take to improve your business online? And also there'll be question and answer. Is a question and answer membership. Why I say that is because everyone's business is unique. Sometimes you may have a question that you alone might want to ask, and you would want someone else's advice on it, and you would want somebody to show you the technical part of that, and you need somebody to ask a question to. And you also have early access to all the YouTube videos that I put out. I will be releasing 2 videos per month, and every time you need to refer or remember something, or you need some more information, you can always refer back to the past videos. And for just $9.99 a month, you'll be investing in yourself and your business without breaking the bank. It's less than a Netflix subscription, and it'll be doing much, much more for you. And you can cancel at any. I could give you the exact course that enabled me to do what I'm doing now, all right? To train and present people. That's what equipped me to be able to do what I'm doing now. I did the entire roadmap course, and it cost me $597 US. I also have that course. If you're not interested in a monthly plan, right? My monthly course is different to that though. I just go straight to the point, and I pick topics for me that I would have want to know as an entrepreneur, and I'm sharing it with you all. But if you want the whole course, the comprehensive course from A to Z, you can get that also. All right, and it's in my bio. The name of it is the roadmap. It's $597 US. So if you're interested in that, you can take a look at it and see if you prefer to have that than to pay a monthly membership of only $9.99. Okay, whether you start with a monthly membership or you just prefer a full-time course, that is completely up to you. But the important thing is that you are making an investment for your future. Thanks again for attending this training and for watching this till the end. It means you really are interested in starting your online business and making some additional income for yourself and your family to ensure that you always have money in your pocket. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye.